So this is another problem from section 6.2. I think it's number 25. Again, here we have to subtract and add three rational expressions. So what I did first is I wrote every single expression in factored form of the denominator. X plus 3 cannot be factored further, so it stays right here. 3x plus 9, what I did is I factored out the greatest common factor, which is 3, and then you have x plus 3 in parentheses, and the last one I factored out a 2 as the greatest common factor, and again x plus 3. So now I'm going to look, I compare all my denominators and I see what do I have, what's missing on either term. So all three have an x plus 3 in common, so I'm not missing that at all, but on the first term I'm missing a 3 and I'm also missing a 2. So I multiply, basically 3 times 2 is 6, and I'm going to multiply the denominator by, let me just write 6. So that's what was missing on the first term, rational expression. On the second rational expression, I have a 3 and I have an x plus 3. What I'm missing is a 2. So I need to multiply both sides by 2 over 2, which is 1. So I'm not really changing the problem. And the last term, I have a 2 in the denominator. What I'm missing is this 3. So again, I multiply numerator and denominator by 3. So now all three terms have the same denominator, which is, let me write 6. 3 times 2 is 6, and x plus 3. So now all I have to do is work in the numerator and make sure that I multiply the numerator. So 3 times 2 in red is 6, times the black 1 is still 6. Then I have a minus, 6 times 2 is 12x. And a plus 9. Now I'm gonna combine like terms. 6 plus 9 are the only like terms in the numerator. 6 plus 9 is 15. So I have a minus 12x plus 15 all over 6 times x plus 3. So the next step would be to see if I can simplify this further by factoring the numerator. And in the numerator, I can see that the greatest common factor is 3. And since it starts with a negative, I have to factor out a negative 3, which leaves me with 4x minus 5 all over 6 times x plus 3. Now, can I reduce something else? Yes, I can. The 3 and the 6 can be reduced. 3 goes into 3 once and into 6 twice. So we still have this minus out here. So we have minus 4x minus 5 all over 2 times x plus 3. Here you go. There's your answer. Now sometimes it depends on how the computer wants it. You can distribute the negative over the 4x and the 5, and then would answer negative 4x plus 5 over 2 times x plus 3 in parentheses. But here you go. This is your answer. It can't be factored any further or simplified any further.